Alrighty guys, I am here. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I have to pay my favorite spot a visit from time to time. Guys, I am talking about Best Buy, not Audi, Best Buy. Alright, I just looked online, guys, and I found out I can get that 24 millimeter, I want to say. I have a Canon T5i DSLR camera. Okay, yes, I need to upgrade, but before I upgrade or before I invest in that money, all that money in that A604 from Sony and the 16 millimeter lens, oh, that's the ultimate right there. I'm gonna try this lens here for my Canon. Okay, I'm gonna see how it goes. If I can get the same quality of footage, then what's the point at that point, right? Okay, guys, now online they said they had it in stock. I sure hope they was right. Okay, because it took me a good 30 minutes to get up here. So I'm gonna go in here. I could have ordered it, but it would be here tomorrow. So I'm anxious, guys, and I'm impatient. I want it now, and I want to see if it works. So let's get it, guys. Wow, guys, Best Buy got every version of GoPro you can think of. Wow, 7, 8, 9, and the Max. Okay, I'm gonna get me a GoPro simply so I can, do work on cars and have my hands available. Yes, Best Buy have everything. Look, here's the chest strap I'm gonna get for my GoPro, and I'm gonna get a head strap also. GoPro is the way to go, man. Especially GoPro making a name for itself. That's for damn sure. Alright, guys, I'm in the camera section. Oh no! Oh, they only got I have one of those already. Where is the 25 or 24 millimeter? They said on the website, they said they had it in stock. Oh no. Guys, this is my next purchase right here. A6400, the Sony, the mirrorless, with that 16 millimeter zoom. Oh my goodness, the footage that thing produces. Now they say I can get this one, but I want to be up there already, guys. They said this one basically does the same thing, but I want a 65, and it's twice as much. Oh, so I have to do some math. Sit down and do some math. This one definitely out of the question. But this is my end goal. A6400 and the Sony 16 millimeter lens. Just for up close video, guys. A real crisp, clear image and blurry background. Okay, I got to get somebody up here. This can't be right. Help! Help! Anybody here? Hey, ain't nobody in the camera section back there. I need a lens.
Yes, sir. Like I said, if you need assistance, you have to get added to the queue. I can get you.
Oh. Different strategy. You just don't look for somebody. You gotta.
It's a new system we have at our store. What's the first name for you?
JohnnieThomas.
All right.
Okay. Wow. It's a new setup, guys. Spend time walking around looking for somebody that you ain't gonna get. You actually have to get on the waiting list. We're in Best Buy, by the way. One of my used to be favorite stores. Still is. Just I don't come in here often because I tend to work. I'm about to start working with what I got, and I have a lot of equipment, and I can pretty much pull it off. I just like new technology. I don't know what I like, man. Y'all know how it is sometimes, but I want the latest and greatest, just like everybody else. Right? I'm not different, so they're gonna send me a text, guys. I'm walking around now filming on my phone, so I guess the text is gonna come to my phone. So if I have to shut it down, y'all hang around, hold tight. No, 24 millimeter. I hope you just don't have it in stock, have it up here, but it's on the internet. It say you have it.
That's the stupid app. 24, what, 1.9?
2.8.
2.8? That's not bad. What body are you using?
I got the T5i DSLR Canon.
Hey, that was a good one. Canon.
Please have it in stock.
Oh yeah, that little baby lens. I remember that.
Yeah,
That was a fun lens. Yeah, let me get a key. I think it's in here for you.
Oh, good. Whew, had me worried for a minute. See, this will turn people off. They don't see it up. They come over here and they don't see it up here. They'll just leave. Come to find out, they got them hidden under here somewhere. Go figure. Which begs the question, then why am I getting this lens? I don't know. But I want it. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Don't do me like this. Hey, you got an M50 in stock? This?
Yeah, I got an M50. Oh, Mark II. Ooh.
No, I'm debating between the 6400 from Sony or this one. I think I'm gonna go. That's cheaper.
It's a little bit cheaper. It does kind of everything the 6400 does. Now, I will say the 6400 has more autofocus points.
Yeah.
And the 4K is a little less cropped. Well, no, technically speaking, they're both the same crop. But this, I personally like this one just because it's a smaller package.
Yeah.
And it's a little bit more portable.
And it's cheaper. And I'm gonna get the Sigma lens for this, the one that go all the way down to 16. Yeah, I do YouTube videos and I just need to set up. But for now, I'm gonna work with this. You have one in stock?
Yeah, I got an M50.
Okay.
I got 3 in stock right now.
Good. I need one.
Do you want to get that too?
No, I'm just gonna do the.
Just the lens for now?
Yeah, just the lens. I've been in here too long. Just let me pay and get out.
Anything any questions about want to look at?
Nah, that's it, man. Can't really sell me nothing else. I'm ready to go.
Anything else, coming back and see me, all right?
All right, man.
Appreciate it. Troy, let me get you everybody.
Whew, finally. About to get out of here. I got it. We're going to see how this work out, guys. Next on the list is A6400. That's it. I've had it. I'll let y'all know how it work out, guys. Y'all saw my new my mic. My Pro mic, my Shure mic. I got some footage on there I'm going to show y'all too. But for now, I got to get back to the shop. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.